objective of this game is crossword puzzle solver helps to improve vocabulary achievement and get to know more about mindset. Other than that, it's also create the problem-solving methods to finish the challenges. All the participants will work hard to find all the words to get the highest point. Crossword puzzle solver can also test the agility of the mind and train participants to solving challenge on time. For the class size, there are 5 candidates will be joined in this game, and they will move in individual to play the crossword. Class or training layout. To make the game success, Google Meet and Microsoft Board will be chosen. Material and equipment needed. The material that all participants needed is a laptop, phone and internet connection. For the time duration, before the game starts, 1 minute are used to briefing and setup. 5 minutes for search the crossword and answer it. 1 minute to count all the candidates' score and 5 minutes to answer the question that given for the candidates that lose.
Procedure or steps to conduct the simulation. First, participants need to find as many as 32 words that have been given in the crossword puzzle related to mindset. Second, participants will give 5 minutes to complete the crossword puzzle. Third, each participant will be given their own color choice to distinguish each answer found. Fourth, participants who have found the word in the crossword puzzle must share the word. Fifth, each word found represents 100 points. Sixth, the participants who manage to collect the most points will be crowned the winner. For the last procedure, while for the losing participants, they were asked 2 questions related to mindset as a penalty.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to play a game which is called a crossword puzzle. First of all, I would like to introduce myself, who is the host of this game. Nur Anis binti Nawawi, H22A 1230. The leader of our group is Muhammad Arif bin Asmawi A22A 0213, and the other group member are Nurlina Nadira binti Syahriman A22A 0115, Nur Nabiatul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Roslan A22A 0401, Nur Nadia Nabila binti Fauzi A22A 1138. Before we start this game, I would like to explain about how this game is played. Each player must find the word that has been given until it's finished. What is interesting is that the player must be sensitive and eager in finding the answer to get 1 point for the answer. The losing player will be found where the player has to answer 2 questions out of the 4 questions given. Now I want to share the game. So, are you guys ready to start this game? Now let's start the game. So the player that get the higher point is Nadia. Congrats, Nadia. And the losing player, I want to ask you two questions. Are you guys ready? Okay, I want to ask Lina. Tell me 3 centuries start. Tell me 3 century.
Romania, Rwanda, Russia.
Okay. Next, give 3 characters of the entrepreneurial mindset.
They passionately seek new opportunities. Second, they pursue opportunities with enormous discipline. Third, they focus on executive, specifically effective execution.
Okay, thank you, Lina. And now I want to ask Arif. You ready? The question
Yes.
is, if you have problem, did you ask for help if you need it?
What? Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. What the question?
The question is, if you have problem, did you ask for help if you need it?
Uh, yes. Because I know my weakness. That's why I ask for help to get what I need.
Next, what is entrepreneurial mindset?
Entrepreneur mindset refer to a specific state of mind which orientates human conduct toward entrepreneurial activity and outcomes. Individuals which entrepreneur mindset offer draw to opportunities, innovative and value creation.
Okay, thank you, Arif. So, that's all for our games today.
I have to present for the data gathering and analysis section. Data analysis is a process of collecting, modeling, and analyzing data to extract insight that work to support decision making. The way we do it is that the player have to find the words that are found in the title that we have chosen, which is the mindset. You can see the understanding of the mindset topic. And I will present about table 1. Table 1 shows the name of the player and the number of points obtained by each player, where one word represents 100 points. For the questioning process, the host will give 3 questions to the losing players, namely Lina and Arif. This question is to test the player's level of understanding in the topic of mindset. The questions are: first, give 3 characteristics of the entrepreneurial mindset. Second, what is the entrepreneurial mindset? 3, tell me 3 countries start with R. 4, tell me 3 things what you learn from successful people. The 5, if you have problem, did you ask for help if you needed it? And 6, what do you do if you have problem? 7, what can you learn from this mistake? 8, can you tell to me 2 things you want after you graduate?
The rationale of the simulation are: firstly, this game aims to test the player understanding and thinking skill in finding the answer to the puzzle. Secondly, player involved should be focused, truth, and calm to get more answer easily and quickly in this crossword puzzle game. Thirdly, the importance of this game is to increase the ability of high thinking and strengthen the understanding of the mind in finding the word. Lastly, this game is also able to provide extensive knowledge and encourage all group of people regardless of age to be more interested in playing this game.
The answer to the simulation. Question number 1. Give me 3 character of the entrepreneurial mindset. First is they passionately seek new opportunities. Second, they pursue opportunities with enormous discipline. Second, they focus on education, specifically relative and execution. Question number 2. What is entrepreneurial mindset? Entrepreneur mindset refers to a specific state of mind or taste human conduct toward in entrepreneurial activities and outcome individual which entrepreneur mindset are often drawn to opportunities, innovation and new value creation. Question number 3. Give me 3 countries start from R. First is Romania, second Rwanda, third is Russia. Question number 4. Tell me 3 things what you learn from successful people. First is his effort, second he's confident to show himself, third is he's consistent to do what they need. Question number 5. If you have problem, did you need some help? Yes, I need help because I know my weakness. That's why I need help to solve my problems. Question number 6. What do you do if you have problem? Honestly, yes, I need motivation and opinion from my family or friends to solve my problem. Question 7. What can you learn from this mistake? I think I need to improve my strategy by always practice more before start this game. Last question, question number 8. Can you tell to me 2 things you went after you graduate? First, to buy a new house for family and married. So that's all for me.